Namaste. Before starting today's class, I want to wish Happy New Year 2082 to my students, well wishers, relatives for their happy, healthy, and prosperous life. Today, I have brought here some of the questions, of trigonometry in which the students face the difficulties, These are some tricky questions, In first question, look here, number one. First of all, let's take here left hand side. Left hand side there is sine square A plus sine square A into tan square A that is given, And our result is to bring the tan square A. Here in these two terms, here is sine square A, here is sine square A. Let's take here sine square A common, If you take sine square A common, here is remaining 1, plus, and here is remaining tan square A, And now look here, this sine square A writes same. And in Pythagoras relation, we know that sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1. And when this minus tan square A goes on the right side, and it will come here new formula, that is sec square A equals to 1 plus tan square A. That's why in place of this 1 plus tan square A, we can use there sec square A, And look here, our answer is to bring in tan square A, That's why we need sin square A up, That's why I write it same. Don't open its formula. But we know the reciprocal relation we had there, look here, sec A into cos A equals to, it was 1. That's why in place of this, look here is square. If here is square, then here also will be square, That's why sec A means we know 1 by cos A. Here we can use now 1 by cos square A. Now multiply the sine square A, multiply with 1. Then it will be here sine square A by cos square A. And we know that this is the quotient relation. Sine square A by cos square A means tan square A, which is the result that we have to bring, on the right side. That's why we solve left hand side and we got the answer of right hand side. Right here, right hand side, then right here, proved. This is the way to prove this first question. Children. Now look here. I want to show you here how to solve this question number 2. In question number 2, in question number 2, left hand side, look here, children, first. 1 by sec A minus tan A minus 1 by cos A, This is our left hand side. The students faced many difficulties here while solving this question. That's why look here, children. This is a very important question also. And as we know that 1 means in sec and tan from that Pythagoras formula, we have sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1, That's why in place of 1, we can write here sec square A minus tan square A, And write this denominator same, sec A minus tan A. And we know that 1 by cos means sec A. 1 by cos A means sec A. Then when you open the formula of this, look here, sec A, sec square A minus tan square means sec A plus tan A, and next one factor is sec A minus tan A, okay? And upon there will be, look here, sec A minus tan A, and minus right here sec A. Then we can cancel the same factor. Look at this minus 1 and this minus 1. Sec A minus tan A cancel. And then look here. Here is remaining sec A plus tan A minus, here is left now, okay, sec A, okay. Now look here, second, our aim is to bring 1 by cos A minus 1 by sec A plus tan A. That's why, look here, what we have to do here some tricks will be used, okay. Here is the very important, okay, step. Now let's bring this minus sec A here at the middle, okay, plus tan A. After this, look here, now we can use here, in place of sec A, we can use here, okay, 1 by cos A, okay, we can use that one. Before using that, I want to take here minus common in these two. Minus take common, then what will be here? Sec A minus tan A will be left here. Because in this plus there are two minus, that's why if one minus common goes, then one minus left here. Now let's write here 1 by cos A. Then here what will be, look here? Sec A minus tan A. And then down 1, look here. There is nothing, means we can write here 1. Okay? Then write equals to 1 by cos A. And we can write here now again like this, okay? Wherever there is 1, then we can write sec square A minus tan square A, okay? Sec A minus tan A. Then use here sec square A minus tan square A, okay? Then look here, children, 1 by cos A, and write here sec A minus tan A, and down we can use now this in formula, look here, sec A plus tan A. Next one also use as sec A minus tan A. This sec A minus tan A, sec A minus tan cancel. Then our result came 1 by cos A minus, here is remaining 1 by, down here is sec A plus tan A. Okay, like this we have to prove. This is our right hand side. And prove. Look here, 1 by cos A, 1 by cos A minus 1 by sec A plus tan A, here also 1 by sec A plus tan A. Like this we have to bring right hand side of this question. I hope you understood it. Now look here, I want to go for the question number 3, okay. In 3 number, look here, what to do in 3 numbers here. In question number 3, there is left hand side is given there, sec square A plus cos square A, okay. Then we know sec square A means what there first, okay. Sec square A means, here we have to write, look here, so in place of sec square A we can write now, look here, 1 plus tan square A, and we know cos square A means 1 plus cot square A, okay. This Pythagoras relation, okay, as we have learned, this is sec square A minus tan square A equals to, it means 1, then when minus tan square A go there, this comes, and similarly we know that cos square A minus cot square A equals to 1, okay. Then we have to add this 1 and 1, okay. Here will be, look here, tan square A plus 2 plus, here is cot square A, okay. Then what to do, children, look here. Now we can make this like this, okay. Tan A whole square plus, here also we can make here, plus cot A whole square, this A square B square, and here is 2 into, here is 1 also, okay, because 2 1s are 2, that's why we can write 2 into 1, and in place of 1 we can write tan A into cot A, okay. Here will be, because we know in reciprocal relation 1, okay, we know this is formula, tan A into cot A equals to, there is 1, okay. When you multiply them, it will become 1. Tan A into cot A means 1. Here is 2 into 1, that's why. Now we write this one, look here, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then this is the formula of A means tan A plus B means here cot A. Okay, tan A plus cot A whole square came, okay. Now look here, children, how to solve this now. After this, our result is different, but here is coming different, okay. Our answer is to find SecA into CosA. Now look what to do here, okay. In this place, we know that tan means that quotient relation we have done, sin A by cos A, plus cot A means cos A by sin A, okay. And here is whole square. If whole square, then we can cancel square root now, okay. Square and square root cancel, this square root and this square root will cancel, 1 will come outside, and when you take common here, it will be cos A into sin A. Then cos A cancel, dividing and sin A left, sin A multiply with sin A, it will be here sin A into sin A plus, here now sin A cancel, then cos A multiply with cos A, it will be here cos A into cos A. Now we know sin A into sin A means sin square A, plus cos A into cos A means we can write here cos square A, okay. Now here is cos A into sin A. Now we can write, look here, sin square A plus cos square A, Pythagoras less, it is 1, okay. Sin square A plus cos square A means 1, and right here cos A into sin A, okay. Now here's multiply sign, that's why 1 divided by cos A, 1 divided by cos A means sec A, a reciprocal relation it is, 1 by cos A means sec A into, and there is cosec A, that's why 1 by sin A means in reciprocal relation it was cosec A. Like this we find 1 by cos means sec A into, here is multiply sign, okay, and 1 by sin A means cosec A. This is our right hand side to bring, then proved. Like this we bring right hand side sec A into cosec A by solving square root sec square A plus cosec square A, okay. Like this we have to solve this type of question. I hope you understood it. Thank you very much. If it is not subscribed, please subscribe my channel also.